Welcome to the future of artificial intelligence. Today, we're spotlighting Elon Musk's latest marvel in the AI arena, the Grok 3 model. Announced on February 18, 2025 by CNN, Grok 3 is already making waves. Built by xAI, this state-of-the-art model promises to surpass rivals like ChatGPT, GPT-4, Claude 3.5, and even DeepSeek's V3 model. What sets Grok 3 apart? With a powerful upgrade, boasting 10 times the capability of its predecessor, Grok 2, this model is poised to revolutionize how we interact with AI. Not only is it accessible via an exclusive Premium Plus subscription at just $40 a month, but it also will soon feature an exciting voice mode, drawing comparisons to the familiar ChatGPT functionality. As AI companies continue to invest in larger data centers and push the boundaries of what's possible, Grok 3 enters the battleground with unprecedented power and innovation. How will this new player shape the tech landscape? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain: the competition is heating up. If you're as excited about the future of AI as we are, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community for the latest updates. Check out useful AI hacks on YouTube and stay on top of the trends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tech update.